Right triangle trig has been making a comeback on the SAT in the past years. So you need to remember some of the basics of right triangle trigonometry. You need to remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now remember, this can only be used in a right triangle. So let's take a look here. We have a nice word problem. Now there's a lot of information here. If you read through it, it's actually just describing the picture. The most important piece of information here is that it's perpendicular. If it's perpendicular, it makes a right angle. That means that it's a right triangle, and I can use SOHCAHTOA. So we have the rope that's 17. That's here. That is the hypotenuse. We have an angle that's x. And then there is a distance of 15 feet. That's the adjacent. You're being asked to find the tangent of x. You're missing a piece of information, right? If you were asked to find the cosine, you'd have everything. It would be 15 over 17. But you need to find the tangent. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. I don't know what this is. I am going to call this P. So how can I figure this out? Well, I can do Pythagorean theorem. P squared plus 15 squared is equal to 17 squared. P squared plus 225 is equal to 289. Subtracting 225 from both sides, we get P squared is equal to 64, so P is equal to 8. Now, some of you might remember the Pythagorean triples. Just a little quick reminder, you have your 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. These are the most common ones that the SAT uses. Now, if you remembered this one, you could have saved yourself all this work here and just realized that P is 8. Either way, we know P is 8. Now to find the tangent of x, it's opposite, which is 8 over 17. Now, this is the no calculator part. So you're just going to put it in as 8 divided by 17, and you're done.